I am very excited to be able to expand my toolbox in the area of supporting neurodivergent families. There's so much that we can learn from the different ways that families that we work with are explaining their needs, what's difficult for them, what they expect or anticipate might be a challenge for them, and the questions and the needs that they're expressing for us, or those that we observe in the consult room. We may notice that something seems difficult or challenging through observing someone's body language or the results that they're getting from something that we've suggested. And so as we sit through and move through this session on working with neurodivergent families, I think we're going to come away with some skills we aren't expecting and really expand our ability to listen and come up with creative ideas and new solutions for families.